I know another monk from Namgyal Monastery, and His Holiness knew him when he was in Tibet. Then when His Holiness left, he could not come. So he remained in Tibet, and he was in prison, I think 17, 18 years or something like that, many, many years. So then finally he managed to come to India. I met him, and I also, I was then working in His Holiness office. I also went few times with him to interpret, to take him to the hospital and things like that. So he is really a crooked, bent back and very elderly. So one day His Holiness asked him to come. So he came to see His Holiness, and His Holiness, among other things, he asked a question. Since you have been in Chinese prison for many years, in some of these years, you might have really had difficulty. Have you? Then he said, yes, yes. On few occasions, I really had a big problem. Then His Holiness thought must be the problem of his life. Then he said, is the problem of your life? He said, no, 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 not my life. Then what? Problem of the fear of forgetting compassion for the Chinese torturers. Imagine. Because during all these years in the Chinese prison, instead of worrying about himself, he was more worried about the torturers, because they're doing such a negative karma. They will have to bear the consequences of negative karma. So he was more worried about this inhuman treatment and the negative consequences of their inhuman treatment. Can you imagine?